For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the text of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting a kiosk business is a promising venture that allows you to reach customers in high-traffic areas with relatively low overhead. Whether you plan to sell food, beverages, accessories, or services, the kiosk model offers flexibility and scalability. Leveraging free AI tools can simplify many of the complex tasks involved in launching your business, from market research to marketing strategies. This guide will walk you through a step-by-step process of starting a kiosk business using free AI tools, along with example prompts to help you get the most out of these resources. Step 1. Define your kiosk business idea. Begin by clarifying what product or service your kiosk will offer. Use AI tools to brainstorm niche ideas that have demand in your target location. ChatGPT, for example, can help you generate creative business ideas based on current trends and customer needs. A useful prompt to use here could be, ChatGPT, suggest profitable kiosk business ideas that work well in urban shopping malls or transportation hubs, considering trends in 2025. This will give you tailored ideas that can inspire your concept and help you identify gaps in the market. Step 2. Conduct market research. Understanding your target market is crucial. Use free AI-powered market research tools like Google Trends and ChatGPT to analyze customer preferences, competitor presence, and foot traffic patterns. For example, you could use ChatGPT to analyze competitors and potential customers by inputting. Provide a competitive analysis for kiosks selling healthy snacks in your city, including customer demographics and popular product types. Google Trends can complement this by showing interest levels in specific products over time and geography, helping you refine your product mix. Step 3. Create a business plan. A solid business plan is key to attracting partners, loans, or investors. Use ChatGPT to draft a professional business plan by providing a prompt like, help me create a detailed business plan for a kiosk selling organic smoothies in a busy mall, including executive summary, market analysis, operations plan, marketing strategy, and financial projections. ChatGPT can structure and fill out sections based on your inputs, making it easier to visualize your business roadmap and financial needs. Step 4. Choose a location. Selecting the right location for your kiosk is vital for customer access and sales. Use AI tools like Google Maps combined with local business directories to scout high-traffic areas such as malls, airports, or office complexes. You can ask ChatGPT, what factors should I consider when choosing a location for a food kiosk in a metropolitan area? And how can I identify the best spots using online tools? This will help you understand location criteria like foot traffic, competition, lease costs, and permits. Step 5. Develop your brand identity. A memorable brand attracts customers. Use AI design tools, such as Canva's free AI-powered logo maker, to create your kiosk's logo and visuals. For text and branding ideas, ChatGPT can help generate catchy slogans, mission statements, and product descriptions. Prompt example. Create a brand identity for a kiosk selling artisanal coffee, including a slogan, brand voice, and customer message that appeals to young professionals. Canva will allow you to quickly customize your logo and marketing materials with user-friendly templates. Step 6. Plan your marketing strategy. Effective marketing drives customer visits. ChatGPT can assist in crafting a marketing plan tailored to your kiosk, including social media ideas, promotions, and local outreach. Use this prompt. Develop a marketing strategy for a new kiosk selling handmade jewelry, focusing on social media campaigns, local events, and influencer partnerships. Additionally, free tools like Hootsuite offer basic social media scheduling to maintain your online presence efficiently. Step 7. Estimate startup costs and budget. Calculate your initial investment and ongoing expenses using AI budgeting templates. ChatGPT can help create a cost breakdown by prompting. List typical startup costs for a kiosk business selling smoothies, including equipment, inventory, permits, and marketing. You can then use free spreadsheet tools like Google Sheets to organize your budget and track expenses. Step 8. Legal setup and permits. Every business requires the proper legal structure and permits. Use ChatGPT to guide you through the legal requirements based on your location by asking, what are the legal steps and permits needed to start a food kiosk in your city or state? For specific documents like a simple partnership agreement or lease contract, you can request draft templates from ChatGPT and later consult a legal professional for finalization. Step 9. Source suppliers and inventory. Find suppliers for your kiosk products by searching online and using AI tools for comparison. ChatGPT can help generate a list of potential suppliers. Provide a list of reliable wholesale suppliers for organic smoothie ingredients in the U.S., including contact tips and pricing considerations. You can then reach out to these suppliers and negotiate terms, ensuring quality and cost-effectiveness. Step 10. Set up your kiosk and operations. Plan the layout, equipment, and daily operations. Use AI tools to draft standard operating procedures, SOPs, and staff training materials. A prompt could be, create an SOP for daily operations of a kiosk selling beverages, including opening and closing checklists, hygiene standards, and customer service guidelines. This ensures smooth, functioning, and consistent customer experience. Step 11. Launch and promote your kiosk. Once everything is ready, plan a launch event or special promotion. Use ChatGPT to generate promotional ideas and social media posts. Write engaging social media posts announcing the grand opening of a new smoothie kiosk, emphasizing limited-time offers and customer benefits. Free AI-based graphic design tools can create attractive visuals to accompany your posts and flyers. Step 12. Monitor performance and improve. After launching, track sales, customer feedback, and marketing results. Use AI analytics tools such as Google Analytics if you have an online presence, or simple spreadsheet models to review your business performance. You can prompt ChatGPT for advice on improving operations. Analyze kiosk sales data trends and suggest strategies to increase customer retention and average purchase value. Regularly iterating your approach based on data will help grow your kiosk business sustainably. Conclusion. Starting a kiosk business can be straightforward and cost-effective when you harness the power of free AI tools. These resources assist you in every stage, from ideation and market research to branding, legal setup, and marketing, giving you a competitive edge without high consultancy fees. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.